Hey guys, welcome back to my channel सौम्या this side and आज की वीडियो में हम बनाने वाले हैं DIY रूम डेकोर स्टफ। लेकिन उससे पहले मैं आपसे एक बात शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। देयर इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग गुड न्यूज़। वन ऑफ आवर वीडियो हिट्स 1 million views and I'm super happy for that. And thank you guys, thank you for being supporting, thank you for all your love. This is all because of you guys, and I shared before it on Instagram, but I personally want to thank my YouTube fam. So that's why I want to thank you all. Thank you so much for your support and keep supporting, keep loving. And चलते हैं हमारे आज की वीडियो की तरफ. Let's get into the video. So firstly we are making a mirror frame. I found this mirror while doing clearance, so I thought of doing something creative with it, and I thought of making kulfi frame for it. And in back support I am using a soft cardboard and sticking kulfi sticks on the corner with the glue gun. I use lots of beer bottles and bottle of Caventers for my money plant or my water plants. But this time I thought of decorating my glass bottle instead of keeping it simple. So I am using a jute cloth to wrap its middle part. Now paste the cloth on it, and now I am using a ribbon and tied a fake plant on the jute cloth like this, you can see in the video, and there we go it. And tada, our bottle is ready. Now I am putting money plant in it and some water, and it is ready. Okay, for our next DIY, we need some of our photo printouts, and I'm taking the Polaroid one. You can also take simple one, like I'm showing you another one for that. Like you can take this one, and again I am taking Polaroid one. Okay. Okay, so I am using double-sided tape to stick these on my wall. Okay, you can mark the wall wherever you want to stick and how you want the whole output. So I am showing you my output. I just try like this. I paste 2 pictures in the first line, then in second line I paste 3 pictures by leaving gap in the bottom of first line pictures. Then I paste 3 pictures. Then again I paste 2 pictures in the third line and leaving some space in the front side. Basically मैं न्यू लाइन स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ प्रीवियस लाइन्स के अकॉर्डिंग. लाइक मैं प्रीवियस लाइन के 2 पिक्चर्स के बिल्कुल नीचे मिडल में फर्स्ट पिक्चर पेस्ट कर रही हूँ, एंड ऐसे मैं लाइन स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. सेम प्रोसेस रिपीट कर रही हूँ. Also, I just give it a try. It's not any concept or anything, but I love how it turns out pretty well. And this is how my wall looks like. Beautiful and sweet. Okay, so now I am making a plant pot cover with a soft cardboard, and I am measuring the size of plant pot by every single angle and cut it softboard accordingly. Now I am making a hexagon shape cover, and now I paint this soft board by yellow fabric color, and I am only painting from outside. You can go for the both the side. And now I stick it with tape from the inside, and here we go. So I want to suggest something to you guys, like I use cardboard and paint it. You can use cardboard, but you can stick a designer paper onto it, and it will also turn out pretty well, because painting is a sort of messy thing, and if you try a designer paper on it, it will also look good. Now we are making a wall hanging or dream catcher, you can say. Firstly, I need to make a tassel for that, and I am using a cardboard, and follow the steps I am doing. Wrap the wool around the cardboard and make a knot, and cut it from the another side. Tie it from the top, and here our tassel is ready, as you can see. Now tie a tassel with each other with the help of wool, like you can see in the video I am doing right there. Now you can tie these tassels directly on the wooden sticks, or you can purchase or make crochet and tie those tassels on the crochet. tie tassel with each other like I am showing you in the video, and make 3 of a same kind. And then tie the 3 of them on the stick by measuring the equal size between them. And like I am done with one, remember to put glue on the knots for the safety. And now make a hanging for it and decorate the dream catcher, or you can say wall hanging, with the fake plants, and tada! I'm drooling over it. It's so beautiful, guys. So, the last but not the least, but the easiest DIY for the day. So, for that we need popsicle sticks, and we need to paint that blue, red, yellow, or whatever color you love. I am obsessing over yellow color these days. I don't know why. Okay, back to the DIY. Let me popsicle sticks dry for some time. And now it's time for the assemble the popsicle stick with a favicol or a glue gun. Now follow the steps in the video. Make a triangles of popsicle sticks. We need to make 2 triangles like you can see in the video. Then we connect these 2 triangles with the help of these 3 popsicle sticks. Like I am doing, do the same, and try to use favicol because glue gun is not so appropriate for that. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and I'm working on more DIYs. Actually अभी ये लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिविटी एंड DIYs एंड ये सब हो गया था like and I love to doing that from my childhood but never spent so much time because of the other things, other work, and now I am enjoying it and I will share more and more DIYs on my channel. So stay tuned and keep loving, keep supporting, and also follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in description box. So thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all.